Let's set up a order fulfillment SMS automation in Mercuri CX. Start by heading to the template section in the Mercuri CX dashboard. Then select SMS. Click the Create Template button in the top right corner. You'll now see the SMS template creation form. First, enter a template name, something short and descriptive, like Order Fulfillment SMS. Next, craft your message. Keep it under 160 characters and make it personal using dynamic variables. Now, map each variable to its actual data field, such as customer name, order ID, shipping partner, and tracking link. Preview your message. Once satisfied, click Create to save your SMS template. Now, go to Automations and click on Create Automation. Select Fulfillment Created as the automation type and SMS as the channel. Then, choose the Order Fulfillment SMS template, and then click on Create Automations. Set up automated order fulfillment in minutes with Mercuri CX. Scan the QR to book your free demo today.